Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Dino cube. Dino cube is basically very simple cube. It is corner turning cube, and it doesn't have any centers or corners. It has only edge pieces. So you can see these are all edge pieces. It doesn't have corner, but it turns from corner. So very interesting. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to fix the uh, any side. So we'll start with white. So we have one white piece over here. So that is white and green. Sorry, white and orange. So we can fix this piece over here. To fix this, if we'll fix like this will come out. So what we'll do is, first we'll have to bring this out of the way like this, and now we'll have to bring it here, and now we'll bring this back. So our white and orange and white and green pieces are fixed. Okay, now next step is to fix this white and red piece over here. So opposite of orange is red, so we'll bring this piece up and then here down. Now we can fix it over here. So to fix this piece, we'll have to bring these two pieces out of the way. So it was here, so we took out of the way, and now we'll bring this back and up. So now we can see we have 1 2 3 pieces are in place. Okay, now we are left with last piece, that is white and blue. So first bring this white and blue piece over here, and now we can bring this like here, but first we have to bring these two pieces out of the way. So out of the way, bring it in, take this back. Okay, so now we can see our first layer of white is done. So now next step is to fix the edge pieces. So here it should be blue and red edge piece. So blue and red edge piece is here. So first we'll bring it up on top, and now we'll bring this down. So this is fixed. Next is why blue and orange. Blue and orange is here. So simply bring it down like this. So this is also fixed, and this orange and yellow is also fixed, and now our cube is solved. But I'll show you one case wherein there is no yellow side on top. Okay, so you may get this situation wherein there is no yellow side on top. So in this case, you can take any side and you can do down. So this is your corner, so down, then this side down, then up and up. So you will get two side up, and in these two sides one will match with the bottom color, I mean this side. So this is properly placed. So what we will do is we'll bring this side on back end side, and now we'll do this algorithm. This is red, so red will come here. This red and yellow piece will come here, so this will come here. So down, again down, up and up. So now we can see our cube is solved. So this is very simple cube, but some of the cubes are having dino moves, so it is important to learn how to solve it. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me.